So this is that zero tillage wheat cultivation, and next to it is the field, which in inverted commas traditional way of growing wheat. So this one on the left is still more greener and still is taller than the one we're doing organically with no tillage. We've had quite a lot of rain. There's water standing in the field, and there is more forecast of rain in the next couple of days. So what I've heard from the experienced people, it might affect the yield. So if it does, we'll still have a reference point to the fields next door, how they are doing, and then we can compare our performance according to that. That far end over there, kind of southwest corner, is the lowest one corner, and that's the point where when we were spreading the seed, I had that fear that the seed might not germinate and rot because the water was still standing there when we scattered the seed. But it's not as it still germinated, but the growth is not that good because we've had quite a few rain, and it was kind of unusual for our part of the land, our part of the country. And you can see the water standing in the field. This is the corner where there was a pile of straw, hence there is no seed, no plants here. The straw got picked up and fed to the cattle in the meantime. And here you can see lots and lots of water, and here it's very patchy and the growth is not that good, and it's quite yellow. But anyway, this is how it is in nature. When you work with nature, things happen like this, and then you learn and you make your strategy how to plan next year. But as I said, it's unusual for this part to have this many rains in these days. So we'll live and learn, and inshallah pray to Allah that things work out well for us.